Okay, well, recently I started watching the Juji and Tom YouTube channel, and I ordered one of their Grip Genies. And here's the packaging. This is going to be an unboxing. This is my first look at the product, other than on their website. And I must say too, that's a nice touch. Okay, all right. That was my first test of strength, opening that plastic. Okay, nothing fancy here, but protective. Okay. More tape. Now, this is a level 3. They were out of level 2s. Okay. Looks like a promo to buy more. And here's the order. I thought the one as a beginner may be a little too easy. So I'll buy a 2, but they were out of the 2s, and then they had the 3s. I emailed customer service, and they said I could wait for the 2s or give the 3 a try. So this is my first attempt at squeezing this. I have not warmed up or anything today, but let's see how tough this is. And again, it is the level 3. What do we got there? Yeah, it's pretty tight. But I think this is definitely not the kind you get at Sports Authority or something. Okay, well, I'm glad I can't really totally close it, so that gives me something to work towards. Yeah, that's pretty tight. And again, I have a pair, same design, but with plastic, and I could basically do it with like 3 fingers or maybe even 2. So this is good. Yeah, that is pretty. Now, it does go together with 2 hands, but it's pretty tight. So I'm glad I got the 3. And I gotta tell you, this knurled, which looks like aluminum, anodized knurled aluminum, fits very, very well. And I love the grip, that little texture on there. And I don't know what this spring is made out of, but it does have a coating on it too. So this thing looks like it'll last a long time, and there is an actual, the rating there too, for whatever that's worth. Okay, well, I got something to work towards. Yeah. All right, well, thanks guys. I'm gonna have fun with this.